The next transducer is the LM35. In that, the LM35 sensor is the minimum and maximum input voltage to the 35 volt and the -2 volt respectively, whereas the typically voltage for that the 5 volt. It can be measured temperature ranging from that the -55 degrees Celsius to that the 150 degrees Celsius. It is output voltage is directly proportional to the temperature. There will be the rise of the 10 millivolt for every 1 degree Celsius rise in the temperature, whereas the drain current is the less than the 16 microampere. It is the low cost temperature sensor, also the small and the suitable for that the remote application. It is available in that the T092, T02220, T0CAN, that means the CAN, and the SOIC package. This is the pin out configuration for that the LM35. There is the VCC is the first number, and the input voltage plus 5 volt is the typical application, whereas the second is the analog. There will be the increasing in the 10 millivolt for that the rise of the every 1 degree Celsius, can be range from that the 55 degree Celsius to the 6 volt. Whereas the third number is the ground. It is the connected to that the ground circuit. The LM35 sensor is the precise sensor, is the LM35 precise integrated circuit temperature sensor, whose output voltage varies the based on the temperature around that. It is the small and the cheap in IC, which can be used to measure the temperature anywhere between that the -50 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. It can easily the interface with any microcontroller, has the ADC function, or any development platform like at the Arduino. It is the power the IC by applying the regulator voltage like as the +5 volt to the input pin and the connected to that the ground pin. The ground pin of that the circuit. Now you can measure the temperature from of the voltage as shown in that the figure. If the temperature is the 0 degree Celsius, then the output voltage will be the 0 volt. There will be the rise of the 0.01 volt, that means the 10 millivolt. For the every degree Celsius rise in temperature, the voltage can be connected to into the temperature using below that the formula. V out is equal to 10 millivolt into the 10 millivolt per degree Celsius into T, whereas the V out is the LM35 output voltage, T is the temperature in degree Celsius. LM35 sensor having the application. The first one is the measuring temperature of that the particular environment. Second one is the providing thermal shutdown for that the circuit and component. Third one is the monitoring battery temperature. Fourth one is the measuring temperature for that the HVAC applications. Where the next sensor is the studied by that the 8590, where 8590 is the linear current output. It is the 1 microampere per Kelvin, where wide temperature range, that means the -55 degrees Celsius to the +150 degrees Celsius probe. It is the compatible ceramic sensor package having the 2 terminal device. It is the voltage in current and the laser terminated ±0.5 degrees Celsius calibration accuracy. The 8590 is a 2 terminal integrated circuit temperature transducer, and that is the output current is proportional to the absolute temperature. For the supply voltage between the 4 volt and the 30 volt, the device acts as a high impedance and the constant current regulator passing through the 1 microampere per Kelvin. In that the laser trimming of that the chips, it is the thin film resistor is used to the calibrated of that the device to the 298.2 microampere output. The AD590 should be used any temperature sensing application below that the 150 degree Celsius. In that the inherent the low cost of the monolithic integrator many temperature measurement situations. It is the linearization circuitry precise voltage amplifier, whereas the resistance measuring circuitry and the cold junction compensation are needed in that the applying the AD590. In addition to the temperature, application include the temperature compensation and that the correction of that the discrete components, the biasing proportional to that the absolute temperature, flow rate measurement, level detection and the flood of that the anemometry. The AD590 available in that the die form, making it suitable for that the hybrid circuit, and that the fast temperature measurement it protected for that the environment. The AD590 is particularly useful that the remote sensing application. The device is insensitive to voltage drop, long lives due to that the high impedance current output. The output characteristics may be also the AD590 easy to multiplex and the from that the receiving circuitry. The output characteristics also make the AD590 or that the supply voltage can be switched for that the logic gate output. In that the AD590 is calibrated for that the two terminal temperature sensing requiring only a DC voltage supply, whereas the constantly transmitter filters, lead wires compensation and that the linearization circuits are all unnecessary applying the devices and the state of the art laser timing and that the wafer level of that the conjunctions with the extensive final testing ensure the AD590 units is easily interchangeable. Also the superior interface rejection occurs because the output current is rather than the voltage. In addition to that, the power remote sensor. The high output impedance provides the excellent rejection of that the supply voltage drift. For the instance, the changing the power supply 5 volt to the 10 volt result in an only 1 microampere maximum current up to the 44 volt and the reverse voltage is of that the 20 volt. Therefore, the supply irregularities or that the pin reversal does not damage that the device. The next sensor is the PT100 sensor. The most common type of the resistance thermometer, that means the RTT, is the PT100, whereas the temperature sensor. These sensors are well liked choice at the many industries, many laboratories or that the industrial process. The main reason their use is due to their stability and that the accuracy. They are superior measuring instrument which provides the confidence in that the terms of that the repeatability. Be assured that you will get the same result for each temperature readout. RTD categorized into the industrial as well as the general purpose. You can find the datasheet for that the every product type of the here. Each type of the available PT100, PT250, PT500 and the PT1000. Where the PT100 a platinum resistant thermometer, their temperature range is the minus 200 degrees Celsius to the 650 degrees Celsius, whereas the accuracy is the plus minus 0.1 degrees Celsius. Here the 100 ohm to the 0 degrees Celsius nominal resistance. A PT100 can be used in that the any application needing the high measuring capability because of its construction. It can be used in that the application from that the laboratories to more rugged and that the harsh environment. A PT100 is essentially instrument falling that the platinum resistant thermometer category. The sensor has the variable resistor in which the charge resistance based on that the temperature around that the instrumentation. Here the low susceptibility of that the ionization radiation, it has the comforts DNN and the IEC standards down that the 17 kilohertz. The plot below that the platinum sensor conforms to that the maximum accuracy used that the below 100 kilo. All about that the three sensors. Here the finish.